Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we're doing just a simple installation. We're doing an upgrade on some speakers. So let's say you have a place in the house. This happens to be a office and we're wanting better audio than just your typical basic speaker. And speaking of basic speakers, so these are just, your basic speaker. If you look at these guys, this is your typical speaker. Got 4 dog ears on there. Sometimes they have 3, but most of the time 4. Dog ears are so when you screw it in from the underneath side, the dog ears kind of clamp in 4 different locations. And then usually typically just a standard driver with a standard dome tweeter or some sort of single type tweeter depending what brand you guys are using. But today we're going to do a serious upgrade because we want better audio for sure, and then we're even going to add in a in-ceiling 10-inch sub. So we're doing none other than James Loudspeaker. So these are the QXC820s. These are the 8-inch, and let me show you. You've seen these before on our channel. We've shown these before, but look at this, guys. 8-inch driver, and then 4 tweeters in a quad array. See that? Pretty neat. So this is going to have much wider dispersion. And if you also notice, going from a typical speaker, see it's open back. So you see a little magnet. Actually, this is really lightweight, so it's not even a, not even a big, heavy, thick magnet. So again, this is only a 6.5-inch speaker, so it's kind of hard to compare. But this is a typical in-ceiling, what we call house-wide type speaker. So when someone wants better audio, then we would try to step them up to something like this. Again, if you look at the side, it's a totally sealed enclosure, and then you got your conductors in the back for your positive and your negative. But yeah, big difference. So now let me show you another big difference is the way it installs. So you have a bracket. Now, as I showed you a while ago, guys, the bracket for a typical speaker is your 4 dog ears. Well, the way James does it is much wider holding onto your surface material, whether it's sheetrock or wood. But if you can see here, so it's almost the entire thing has a clamping device. So see how wide that is? So you got 1/2 of the speaker, one full piece. So as you take these 2 screws in, it's going to move this in closer and clamp a more secure, even keel, I guess, on your material. And then you would do it again on the other side. So obviously you have a template, and cut out your hole, and then you insert this into the hole, and then you screw these down one at a time slowly till you start to get it where both of it's resting onto your material, whether it's sheetrock or wood, and then you snug them both down, and then that's your frame that holds the speaker. And then I don't know if you can see this, guys, probably not, maybe. See the screws, other screws that are out a little bit. So what's nice is, especially for, because these speakers are fairly heavy, and so you're above your head. So once this is in place, if you notice in this speaker, see these little slots right here? There's 4 of them. So that screw I just showed you, and then the frame, it'll go through this hole, and you simple twist. And then now it's in there. Now obviously you're gonna have to screw these screws, screw them down tight once you rotate it. But just an easy way, once you get that frame in, just put the speaker up into the hole, twist it, and there you go. So I'm gonna do a install. The speaker hole we have now obviously is much smaller than what we're going to be using. So we're gonna take the template and go up there and cut the hole bigger, and then we'll put the frame in and kind of show you how we do it. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So now we have the hole cut, and obviously it's bigger now to hold the new speaker. So with these opened up, we're gonna put this in the hole. All right, there we go. All right, so now they're just snug all the way around. And so now I'm gonna tighten them up so they're nice. Here we go. Got one. There's the other one. All right. So now, that is firmly secure all the way around the hole. So a little bit different than your 4-dog ears, but now that's secure. Now, take our wire that I put up here somewhere. There it is. And make sure my ends are nice and twisted. Put them to the new speaker. Let's see here. Make sure I got my drill ready. All right. So, make sure positive goes into positive, negative into negative, and don't push in on the drivers as you're trying to hold it. It's usually not a good thing. Okay, so pretty simple. Push this into the hole. And then go where your screws are at. They'll go over the hole like that. Twist it. Boom. Now it's in. Then you let go. And it's just like that. So now we just go back and tighten all these down. Boom. That's it. So now, obviously you got a grill, and it's a magnetic grill just like what you guys are used to. So, magnetic grill, and you know, you can get these with the grill cloth or without, just depending. But let's put this up there. Boom. There you go. Ta-da. There it is. So there you go, guys. Just a simple upgrade, but quite effective for sound for a room. And the James Loudspeaker QXC820s are definitely going to deliver that performance. So anytime you guys need a great speaker or a higher level speaker, James has definitely got options for you guys, whether it's inside or outside, custom, typical round, typical square, all those sort of things, guys. So if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Like, leave any comments down below, and we really enjoy you guys, you know, watching our videos, and we're still trying to build our subscriber base. So until next time, guys, see ya.